All right, at this time we should have Dropbox installed on all of our computers, and they should all be signed into the same account. That's very important. Another reminder, make sure your V7 software is updated to the latest version. If you're not sure, please go to our website, download and install that now before we continue. Before we begin, it's important to note that you must begin with your main office computer, your desktop, your server if you have a server. It should be the computer that contains your main customer database and your customer records. And once your primary computer is finished being configured, you will be instructed on how to set up each client machine. Okay, we're ready to get started. Let's open our V7 software. What we need to do here is move our database from the V7 software into the Dropbox. It's very simple. Go to the File menu, click on Database, and select Move Database. You'll see a warning. Click Yes. A file browser dialog will pop up, and you should see Dropbox in there somewhere. If you don't see it, you may have to look around in your C drive, but it is in there somewhere. In this case, it's at the top of the list. I'm going to select it. I am not going down inside of it. I am just selecting the top folder named Dropbox. And we're going to click OK. You get a message saying the system needs to shut down. Click OK. And now our database has been moved. To verify that, let's open up our Dropbox. And when we open it, we can see the SAEX data folder is present. We'll close this Dropbox window, and we are ready to set up our client computers. Now we're on our client computer. This could be a networked office computer or a laptop in the field. Again, we're going to open our V7 program. And this time we need to configure the client, which is the machine we're on now. We're going to go up to Network and open the Network Wizard. Click Start Wizard. And it's going to ask you, is this machine the server or a network client? It's a client. We'll click that. And now it's going to ask us to connect to the database. And what we're going to do here is basically connect the client computer to the database, which is in the Dropbox. So we're going to click Browse. And again, we see Dropbox in the list. We're going to select that. And this time we're drilling down into it, and we're going to select the SAEX data folder. And we'll click OK. Back to the wizard, and we click Finished. Now the program needs to restart for those changes to take effect. Click Restart now. And we're back on our home V7 screen, customer screen. To verify that our database is indeed linked to the Dropbox, let's go to File, Database, Database Status, and down at the bottom we'll see the path to our database, which is C, users, Tim, Dropbox, so it was successful. We can close that. So we are all finished with this client computer, and we need to do the exact same process with the Network Wizard on all other clients and/or field laptops. Thanks for watching.